HP Probook 6570B. It has Windows 7. It's a pretty old machine with a fingerprint scanner. And I've been trying to update it to Windows 10 for quite some time now without success. Every time I try it gives me error and different errors and all sorts of issues. So I have looked up on Google and internet, and I have found that the HP ProtectTools and the semantic sign-in security, probably which is in the BIOS, or I don't know what is it. It is causing all those problems and not letting it update to Windows 10. So I'm going to give it another try now, trying to do a clean install through a USB. What that basically means is you go to the Windows or Microsoft site and download a Windows 10 installer file, which takes around 3 or 4 gigabytes. You can save it on a flash stick or a USB drive or a DVD or CD, and then you can use that to update it. So I'm going to give that a try and basically wipe out everything from this laptop and then see if I can get it to Windows 10. And the reason I'm doing that is I have to use the SQL Server latest version, and it is not compatible with this one. So might as well try to install a clean version and then take it from there on. So let's see how it goes. On my other PC, I'm creating this Windows 10 media file to be saved in a USB stick. And once that is done, as you can see, it is still working. So once that is done, then I will plug that USB stick into my laptop and then change the booting sequence to take the data from the flash stick instead of the hard drive, and then let's see how it goes. So I did the same steps again. The only change I did was inserted the flash drive on this side of USB's ports instead of this side, and then it took the option of booting up from the USB. And then I got to this screen where I have to insert the Windows key, and I have it here, and let's see. Let me stop the camera. So I have put in the key, and then I pressed next, and it is now thinking something. So seems like it has taken the key, and I accept. Go to next. I'm going to do custom install. So basically I'm going to delete all partitions. It is going to be a fresh install. Delete. 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 No more delete. So now I press next. And the reason I'm doing all of this is I don't want any of the older files or corrupted files and anything else coming from the previous system. I want it to be 100% clean install. So that is why I'm doing this. Seems like it is going to be a success this time. So let's see, yeah. I don't want the camera to be running in the meanwhile. Seems like it is continuing. So once it is almost done, or if I have any problems in between, I will record those. Otherwise, I'll let it run. So pausing it for now. So it seems it is going through the process correctly. No issues so far. It is restarting it. Let's see how it goes. I'll resume recording again. I don't know. It's going to take maybe a few minutes. So it is still continuing, saying getting devices ready. The USB stick is still plugged in. Let's see how it goes. As an end result, I just wanted to share, I have been successfully able to install the Windows 10, and now I'm installing the SQL Server Express. So all in all, it was done. And thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know.